This has been Needham with Needham Ag Technologies. Today we're here at the 2026 Louisville Farm Machinery Show. This is the first day of the event. Runs Wednesday to Saturday. This is the 60th anniversary of the Louisville Farm Machinery Show, and this is Needham Ag's 20th year in business. Right now I'm standing next to a 10-foot 750 drill that I've fixed up with all of our Needham parts, and I'll highlight some of the stuff for you. We sell things like closing wheels, firming wheels, gauge wheels, bearings, bushings, springs, seed tubes, virtually any product that you would need for a 50, 60, or 90 series drill. We've had a lot of people comment today about how much they like our green gauge wheel tires and our green firming wheels because of how much longer they last than the traditional rubber tires. I'm now going to hand the video over to Phil, and he's going to discuss the Lipa mowers.
Hi, Phil Needham with Needham Ag Technologies. So in 2018, we wanted a flail mower for our Caterpillar 304 mini excavator, and we looked around the industry pretty strongly for different options available. And we ended up sourcing one Lipa TLBE 100, which is a similar mower to this one, but wider, and we found it worked really well, and we were very happy with it. So we'd absolutely no intention at that time of selling flail mowers or attachments for mini excavators. We really liked it. The company that we bought it from, Lipa in Italy, approached us about being the North American distributor. We needed another product to try and fill a gap from a point of view of workload with their farm equipment parts. So we took on the distribution for Lipa, and we've had that since 2018. We've sold 600 or 700 of these to date. This is one for a Bobcat mini excavator. It's an E38 R2. This combination works pretty well together. We've got heavier Lipa flail mowers like this TLBES 120, which is more suitable for maybe a Deere 50G or 50P, 60P, 60G size machine. And then we've even got smaller mini excavator mowers like the one you see here on the floor. That's a TLBE D60, which is suitable for around a 3,500 to 4,000 pound mini excavator. And we've got one more flail mulcher we'll show you now. So this is the Lipa flail mulcher. It's what's called a TLBE SF70. So this is a heavier duty mower. Again, it's suitable for around a 10 to 12,000 pound mini excavator. It's got these heavy duty flails which are reversible. A lot of people like that. So if you have any questions on any of the flail mowers, mulchers, or flail mulchers for tractors, mini excavators, or skid steers, please contact us at Needham Ag. Lastly, we do have a new wheat management guide. This one is for the soft red winter wheat region. It's full of information and research to help wheat growers. So if you have any information on any of these products or publications, please contact us at Needham Ag. Thanks for watching.